All right, Bruce.
Yeah.
What do we call this? What do we call this thing you got here?
So this is a exhaust header modeling set by icengineworks. It allows a person to be able to mock up the way they want their header designed with these plastic blocks. They just snap together. They're available in different sizes and different radiuses. And so you can basically set up the way you want your header to come off your engine, get it all looking the way you like it before you start wasting expensive stainless or titanium material. And you can easily transfer these shapes into the pre-bent tubing that people buy and usually make their headers out of. So it's been a very popular product for us, and makes header building really possible for really anybody to be able to build their own header.
You think even I can build a header for that? For my Zuma?
I think
what do these run? Where do these kits start?
Yeah, so we have kits starting about $400 for the set of the modeling blocks. We have tack welding clamps to help you be able to put it together and tack it in place, things like that. There's a cutting jig so you can cut accurately at the splice joints. Basically everything you need to get you started if you want to build headers.
Alright, and this is available at Trick Tools.
Absolutely.
And we lost our light.
They're shutting us down.
Alright, so this is available at Trick Tools, and what do we call this again?
icengineworks header modeling set.
Very cool. Thank you very much.
All right, man. Thanks.